If you're a teacher looking for an easy way to use QR codes for classroom learning, you'll want to stick around because I'm breaking down exactly how to do it using Unicode. Plus, I'll share a few better alternatives at the end with an exclusive extended free trial. So, how does Unicode help you integrate QR codes into your teaching? First, it lets you create QR codes for almost anything: lesson plans, video resources, Google Forms, or even interactive quizzes. Just upload your content or link it, and Unicode generates a QR code that students can scan instantly with their phones. No signups, no friction, just instant access. Next, it's great for tracking student engagement. With Unicode's analytics, you can see how many students scanned a code and when, which helps you adjust lessons based on real data. This is something many free QR code generators don't offer. The third thing is real-time updates. Instead of making a new QR code every time you update a document, Unicode lets you edit content behind the same QR code, saving time and reducing classroom confusion. One downside? Unicode can feel a bit pricey compared to basic QR code generators. If you just need a simple QR for a Google Doc, you might not need all these features. But if you're looking for detailed tracking and customization, it's worth considering. Now, if Unicode isn't quite what you're looking for, I've linked some better alternatives below that might fit your needs even better, especially for classroom learning. Plus, through our link, you'll get the best free trial and exclusive benefits that aren't available anywhere else. Check the description for the link, and I'll see you in the next one.